Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, we have survived the winter. Spring is here. It's about time to get back out on the Seadoos. I personally cannot wait, but this isn't quite about this Seadoo. I've got some new upgrades that I've done to it over the winter that I'm going to put into another video, but this video, guys, is a special one. We've added to the fleet. I've hinted at it over the last little bit, but we've now added a Seadoo Switch Compact Sport. And guys, guess what? It's in the driveway. So I have not even been on board this yet. I haven't done anything with it. I've got my covers on it. It's completely new. It is the 13-foot, 170 horsepower Seadoo Switch. I did have them put the mooring cover as well as the driving cover. I know a lot of people are against this, and we'll see what happens once I try to take this thing off for the first time, where I stand on it. But for up here driving in Canada, where you get a lot of stones and dirt roads, I really think minimum this is the one I really wanted, just to make sure that you're protecting the front end. The mooring cover, obviously, you know, birds and stuff, we'll deal with that, but I wanted to at least get something to protect the front end while driving on these back roads. So today's video is literally my first time going on this Seadoo Switch. We're going to try to take the covers off, put everything up, and just get it going, set up. I've got more videos coming for this. There's a whole series that we're going to do on it, hopefully. And if you have any questions or comments, please make sure you leave them in the description below. But guys, let's dive into this and come explore and see it for the first time, just like I am. So let's try to figure out what we're doing here. All right, guys, well, I'm here on the fence side of everything, and I'm going to start trying to take it apart and just see how it goes. So first thing, I'm just going to kind of work through this and see what happens. We're learning as we go. So I'm going to pop that off, which seems to go around this, which goes around that. So I mean, there's step one for that, and then there's this loop around here. Take that off, and that looks like some kind of foam filler. That's a nice little thing. I didn't know about that. That kind of fills the gap between the Seadoo, the hull, and the plastic here. All right, let's move to the front, unclip that, and then see what was actually, we'll go on this side. So let's see what we got here. Okay, well, that comes off. That seems easy. I am doing this with one hand, so please forgive me. That comes off. That looks normal. So then we're on this side. Pop that off. Pull this. That goes like, there's a clip right there. Again, this is that bungee for this foam. I don't know if you guys can see this. The foam gap in between here. I kind of like that. That's not bad. Huh. All right, moving forward, I think that these are clips that you pop off here. Take that, undo it, because that's for your thing, and then we'll clip that back on. Clip this off, and then obviously this is the front mooring one, so we'll undo that one. We're kind of doing both at once here, just to, for the video's sake. And then that comes up. Please note, I'm doing this with one hand, so if it looks like if there's an issue, that's why. Oh, it is a separate piece. Look at this. Hold on, yeah. I haven't seen this. That's cool. Okay, that will come off. There's a clip there. Look at this, guys. That just comes right out. We'll put that right there. That's off, that's off. There's something underneath. There is. What's this? This comes back to here. Oh, it's an actual metal clip. Okay, that's cool. Well, I guess we gotta do this side. So let me get this side off, and then I'll catch up with you. All right, so we're just gonna leave the cover down there for now. And then there's these rubber things that come off. this bolt comes out like, not bolt, that clip, and then this clip, and then this bolt rubber thingy here, and then that should lift off. That should lift off. And that should lift off. All right, we're making progress here, guys. And then next, I'm assuming for these, pull that can clip over here. My issue is I probably never remember how this went on. Okay, well, we're on the boat. Step one. Now to figure out what's next. All right, let's keep going. All right, tarp off, 2 poles. Probably took about 8 minutes, more or less. If I'm going out day to day, I would probably leave that off. Maybe even when I'm driving. And then just put the front cover on. That seemed pretty easy, but if it's sitting for a couple of days and it might rain, then yeah, I would probably take the time to try and figure that out. But anyway, so this is the 13-foot sport switch compact. With the sport, I got the Bimini, everything. This one comes with a sound system, Garmin, and what I had them do is I've added, this one usually comes with 2 seats there, 2 seats there in the driver's seat. I added a 3rd seat there, just for more lounging abilities. Still have a couple pads that I can move back here for footing. I still have the lounge seat, but let's be honest, I'm too old for that stuff. But we'll keep it just in case. So I'm just gonna putz around on here and see what we got. But yeah, also I had them install a lock on the storage bin. There's a lock on the engine compartment here, and I got a lock installed on the glove box as well. So yep, okay, we've got everything off. Let me kind of start looking around at what I'm going to do, because I do want to put some things on it and upgrade it and fiddle around with it. So I'll put in what I do next, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I've been putting around for a little bit and just seeing what's all around, kind of familiarizing myself with the layout of the Seadoo, or of the switch here, and just trying to figure out what I want to do. So I've got the Bimini up now just to see what that looks like. So that was nice and easy to get up. I love it. I love that there's this extra bit of storage that I can put stuff in, and now they've got these straps here that you can clip it in, so that's not bad at all. Got a mirror with it, the Garmin, gotta get that all set up. Got the sound system here, all my accessories, and then like I said, we've got, so on this one, the actual nice thing about this one is you can actually lift this up. Well, I can't because the rope's on it, but anyways, you can actually use that as a gate. So I might move this console and maybe put it up in the front somewhere, I'm not sure. But yeah, I ended up getting the 3 seats instead of the lounge. I mean, I got the lounge, I'm just keeping it separate. It's got the pads with the lounge, so I'll probably maybe take those and put them kind of there, maybe buy something else just to fit in there, maybe do 3. I got 2, get 2 more. And then what I'm gonna do is back here, I've already got bird crap on it, but these are, it's a tile with the link system in it, right? So what I'm gonna do is I've got that one, and then I've ordered another one, and what I want to do is I'm gonna put it in this tile right here. So take this tile out, put the link one there, and then I can put my cooler or gas can right there. And then what I might do is also put the second one, put it over on this one or this one, not sure, probably this one, and then I can have more of it weighted up front, and then a little bit frees up the room back here for putting stuff away. I might buy a 3rd one, but to be seen. And then like I said, said before, we got the locks on it, which is great. Garmin, I gotta get set up. So that's about it for this first little quick tour of getting it back to the house. I will definitely be doing more videos with it. Hopefully, we've got some bad weather coming in for the next about week and a half, which sucks, but I think I got a nice cool first in the water video for this guy coming up shortly, so stick around for that. But till then, guys, thanks so much for watching this quick little video about just bringing the Switch home for the first time. I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys are as well, to see all the stuff we're going to get into. So I'm going to wrap it up now, or I'm going to try and put this tarp back on and see how bad that does, probably in a time lapse, because it's going to be funny as anything. So guys, thanks again so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please subscribe. It's so great to see all the subscribers that we've gained over the winter, so thank you so much for that, guys. It's just looking forward to another amazing season out on the water. Hopefully, we now definitely want to start meeting up with you guys more, so we'll be talking about that in the future. And as a side note, if this comes out on time, come out on May 13th to Energy Powersports. I'm going to be down there talking about all the places that we're planning on traveling, so I hope you'll come out. There's some great deals, some great discounts. Make sure you come down and check that stuff out. So until then, be safe out on the water if you are out on the water. If not, the countdown to the water begins now. Catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.